Hello everyone, this is Kimberly here. Welcome to Diva Designing on a Dime with Kimberly Davis. Today I am participating in the Summer Sips Collab hosted by Easy Living with Elle, Create with Cindy, and MultifacettedMe with SFB. Now what they wanted us to do, they wanted us to share a beverage for the summer, and this is going to be a series, so stay tuned. It will be 2 more videos following up to this one, so we're just going to jump right in. Now what you see before you are the ingredients that we will be using. You see Country Time powdered lemonade, pineapple juice, Sprite, and this is optional, the sliced pineapple, and you see in the measuring cup water. What I will be making is a pineapple lemonade. Now I am going to cut this recipe in half because this will actually fill a dispenser, a drink dispenser, and I just want it to fill my pitcher here. Now to fill a dispenser you will need 1 cup of lemonade mix, 3 cups of cold water, 1 can of chilled pineapple juice, and 2 cans of Sprite, which is 12 ounces, guys. So I'm going to take it out of there. But first I'm going to put my water in here in my pitcher. And actually I'm going to do a 1.5 cups. And I'm going to do 1/2 of this can of pineapple juice. Half a cup of the lemonade mix. And let's just say a can of Sprite. And you mix this together really well. It smells so good. Smelling that pineapple with the touch of the lemon. And it's as easy as that. Alright, I'm going to put a little bit of ice cubes in here and I'll show you what we have. And guys, here is my pineapple lemon drink. I would like to thank our gracious hostesses for the invitation to participate in this collab. There will be a playlist of talented creators participating in this collab. The playlist link will be in my description box down below, as well as the links to our gracious hostesses. Stay tuned because there are more videos with this series coming up next week. Thank you so much for watching. You take care. You be blessed. And I will see you on the next video. Love you guys. Have a blessed day.